We're all used to handling pretty fragile technology these days that, if used the wrong way, can be pretty bad. TrueLimb is different. It's designed to be an extension of you, just like an arm would be. Because of that, we created it to be really durable. In this video, I want to show you some of the tests we put TrueLimb through to make sure it'll hold up to everything your daily life might throw at it, and also explain why it's so durable in the first place.
If you have your TrueLimb on top of a table or desk, it can fall off, and you don't have to worry about it breaking. If you're wearing it and you bang into something, that's fine too. If you have to, you can even karate chop a few things in half. TrueLimb is also really easy to keep clean. Almost everything you get on it will wash off easily with a paper towel and some water. You can even clean Sharpie off if you have to, but we don't recommend doing it too many times. TrueLimb is just as strong on the inside as it is on the outside. We do what's called a cycle test to simulate multiple years of use. That way we know everything that makes TrueLimb run is made to last. These components also give TrueLimb its strength. Each finger on TrueLimb is capable of supporting up to 15 pounds. We manufacture TrueLimb using a method of 3D printing known as multi-jet fusion. It produces incredibly strong, incredibly lightweight products. To demonstrate how strong it is, Hewlett-Packard printed a chain link that only weighed 4 pounds, but was strong enough to hold the weight of an entire car. It's the same material that makes it possible for TrueLimb to weigh only 1.5 pounds, yet hold up to all the wear and tear we expect you to put it through.